What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today, guys. We are going to talk about Bitcoin. Is this the start of the bigger dump, or are we going to see a bounce back up in the coming days? Cathie Wood is expecting more than 4,000% price surge in the Bitcoin's price. So today we are going to look into this as well, and also we are going to check some of the altcoins that we had discussed yesterday. Solana's head and shoulders pattern is playing out pretty well, and also WIF. So if you are following me on Twitter, if you have watched my previous live stream yesterday, I have exactly predicted the $100 target for Solana, and we have hit the target today. So if you're ready to talk about these altcoins and some of the potential trades in the coming days, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Today is February 21. It's Wednesday. We are 3 days away from the weekend. All right, so should you buy this top cryptocurrency before it surges by more than 400% according to Cathie Wood? So which cryptocurrency is this? So let's check, guys. One of the most followed investor on Wall Street is ARK Invest, executive Cathie Wood. And Wood has earned a reputation for being fierce supporter of emerging technology like EVs and, of course, artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence, or AI, and genomics, guys. So according to Cathie Wood, Bitcoin, while she is not the only institutional investor heavily supporting Bitcoin, she is certainly one of the most bullish. 2 weeks ago, ARK Invest released its annual Big Ideas report for 2024. One of the standouts from presentation was Wood's latest outlook on Bitcoin. So, although she does not specify an exact timeline, Wood is calling for Bitcoin price to reach $2.3 million per Bitcoin.
Let's go! It's the final countdown!
So this is a very bold prediction, guys. But do you think Bitcoin someday is going to reach $2.3 million per Bitcoin? I think based on the structure and how Bitcoin is created, I think it is likely in the far future. I think it is possible. What do you think, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment or in the chat section down below. And also, MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor is not selling their Bitcoin, guys. So this is one statement from Michael Saylor, that he is not selling Bitcoin ever. What do you think? So let's try to play this one. This statement is coming from Michael Saylor. Let's hear it from the Saylor, guys.
Let's talk about your existing holdings. As I mentioned in the intro, now worth around $10 billion. You have paper gains of about 70% or so, which a lot of people would like to see that sort of return. At any point, would you sell? When would it make sense to take profits there?
Well, I've famously said I'm going to be buying the top forever.
Bitcoin is the exit strategy. It is the strongest asset. So what we see right now is the Bitcoin has just emerged as a $1 trillion asset class. And it's alongside names like Apple and Google and Microsoft. But the difference between Bitcoin and the Magnificent Seven is Bitcoin's an asset class. It's not a company. There's not enough room in the capital structure of those companies to hold $10 trillion or $100 trillion worth of capital. So Bitcoin's competing against gold, which is 10x what it is right now. It's competing against the S&P index. It's competing against real estate, $100 trillion plus asset class as a store of value. So we believe capital is going to keep flowing from those asset classes into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is technically superior to those asset classes. And that being the case, there's just no reason to sell the winner to buy the losers.
So the sailor is not selling Bitcoin ever, guys. So what do you think? And not ever, but he said, according to Michael Saylor, he will be buying the top. He will be buying the top always. And I think they are sharing the same thought with Cathie Wood, guys. They see something in Bitcoin that the normal citizen or the normal retails right now doesn't see. So they see the future, where Bitcoin is going. They see value in Bitcoin right now because they would not invest billions of dollars into Bitcoin if they doesn't believe in Bitcoin, guys. So they see something in Bitcoin and they believe what they have research about the Bitcoin strategy, guys. So right now, let's look at the Bitcoin's chart. So Bitcoin is still hovering in this zone resistance, guys. And as what I've told you, we could probably see a wick up to $53,000. So this is the exact point where Bitcoin is consolidating right now. And if we stay into this consolidation zone, in my own opinion, if we stay into this level for too long, let's say we can see, if we see this kind of consolidation, let's see how many days is this. Probably a month of consolidation at around this level, then I think, in my own opinion, it is likely that we might see the price move even higher. So the next resistance that we will be looking at here will be the all-time high, guys. So next resistance is at $57,000. After this will be the all-time high, $69,000. So for now, I think Bitcoin is still due for a correction, but market is not giving up, guys. Bitcoin spot ETF is still sucking all those Bitcoins in the market. And one market participant, guys, it's First Mover America's VanEck ETF volume surges. Fair Shake raises another $5 million. So these ETF right now, these big asset managers are sucking all the Bitcoins, guys. And this is one of the reason why the price keeps on holding into this level. But also today we have seen that some of the Bitcoin ETF have started to sell, guys, So based on the chart alone, I think we are still due for a correction, guys. And you know my target for Bitcoin, TP1 is going to be 47,000. We have order block here. Look at this, orders. You see this buying pressure, this candle wick right here. Every time the price drop below this line, there is a strong buying pressure here. Loud order block, of course, using chart prime indicator, guys. So the oscillator is still hovering near the overbought area. Again, we are due for a correction, but we are not seeing that in the price right now. We are seeing a consolidation here from $50,900 up to $53,000. So this is around 5% move, guys. Bitcoin is just moving on a sideways. Again, if Bitcoin continues to stay on this channel for at least 30 days, then it is likely that we might go higher, guys. Next resistance will be $57,000. Less than maybe we're due for a correction. Maybe we'll see a significant move this weekend. So let's see, let's cross our fingers. I am still holding my Bitcoin short position here. And if you're going to look at the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin's price is hovering on this 200 exponential moving average, major moving average, guys. This is a strong support. So let's see if this is going to break. Then probably we might see that drop to this next support zone in the 1 hour time frame, which is around 48,800 up to 49,500. So right now, current trade is running with 1,000 USDT in profit, guys. And of course, if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you want to go on a long or a short position, you can claim the airdrop from Bybit, guys. 500 USDT position, you can go on a long or a short position. All you have to do is just to create an account in Bybit using the link in the description down below. Plus, you must hold at least $100 in your account. Fill up this form, click this link, fill up the form, and the Bybit team is going to review it. For 2 weeks, you will receive a notification. And if you don't want to do a KYC, you can also open an account in Fairdesk or other exchanges as you like. Feel free to check out the links in the description down below. So if you want to trade crypto, guys, the first thing that you need to do is to open an account in an exchange, so you can start buying or selling or trading leverage. So right now, my nose is getting very itchy.
I got a bad feeling about this.
So Bitcoin is still hovering on this level, guys. Critical support level. If this doesn't hold, then we might see that big drop down to 48,000 level. So let's see in the coming days. Next one is Loom. Loom is doing pretty well here. This is actually one of the Discord trades shared a few days ago. And of course, I've shared this on my Twitter account. So that is why it is important that if you want to follow and if you want to stay up to date with my latest trade, guys, look at this. When Loom was breaking out from this looks like a falling wedge, actually. So when the price was breaking out from that falling wedge pattern, I tweeted about Loom, guys, and we went on a long position here. And by the way, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. All right, so Loom is looking good, and the ideal breakout target in the short term, this is the daily time frame, by the way. Let's see how many percent. We are up right now from our initial long entry point by almost 20 or 15%, guys. So congratulations to those who were able to get in to the trade early. Again, if you want to catch this kind of trade and if you are enjoying this kind of content, be sure to smash that like button, guys. Support the channel. It will go, your like, one like will go very, very far. And I would really appreciate if we can reach 30 likes daily. All right. So, and also you can get a chance to get a ledger. Once we reach 10,000 subs, I will be giving out one ledger to one lucky subscriber. So next one is, again, Loom. This falling wedge pattern, the ideal breakout target of this is going to be 0.134 dollar, so, or cents. So that will be 35% from the initial entry point here. Next one. Can someone check on El Capo, guys? Because as far as I remember, he is shorting Binance or BNB token. And that's what I've told you guys. Exchange tokens in the bull market are going to go crazy, guys. BNB, BGB from BitGet, Tron, TRX. These exchange tokens, KuCoin, what's the native token of KuCoin? So these exchange tokens will see a significant price surge in the coming bull market, guys. And that is because of the activity on the exchanges. And most of this exchange tokens has their own utility. Like, for example, in BitGet. BGB. If you're holding BGB, you can get trading fee discount. Plus, you can use your BGB to participate in launch pads. So those are just some. So these exchange tokens has their own utility. And of course, in the bull market, a lot of retails are going to use these exchanges, so there will be money flowing into the exchanges, and of course there will be buying the native token so they can get trading fee discount, they can participate into launchpad. So there will be significant price surge in this exchange token, and that is almost guarantee if you compare it to other altcoins, guys. Next one is LPT, beautiful rejection from the 61.8 resistance level. So we have talked about this, we have spoke about this previously. So in my own opinion, we could see LPT retest this level here, 38.2, and we might get a short-term bounce on this level. But eventually, let's see the reaction once it reaches this level. So probably we'll see this kind of price action, short-term bounce, and retest the 50 level. Then let's see if we'll form higher lows. Then we could continue to move up back to the 61.8. But if we see lower lows, then we might see the price go back down up to 9.6 level. So for now, let's because the market is still in an overall uptrend, let's try to predict the higher lows and a retest of 61.8. So that's for LPT. And by the way, thank you for all the viewers daily for joining me, guys. We have Frostly Gaming. We have also Sabir. Hey, hi, hello. We have also Andres Jaworski, or Aja the Fixer, one of our OG in our Discord. Sand and OP, please. Is it okay to buy OP for long run? I think we need to wait again if we are, because right now we are on this level, guys. We're due for a correction, in my own opinion. So I would wait. If you have missed my BGB, guys, again, I have been talking about BGB when it was consolidating here. So if you are in our Discord, guys, BGB when it was 0.18, I was already telling you to accumulate. So right now, this has made almost 5x. Our $1 target has been hit again. I think it is still likely that BGB would hit the $2 target in this bull market, guys. And same with other exchange tokens. Next one is TRX. Look at this. These are all exchange token guys. So BGB is from BitGet, a native token of BitGet. BNB is the native token of Binance. TRX is also doing good here. SUI, again, my target for SUI is going back to 1.47. So this looks like, again, a possible cup in handle pattern. And we still have this several bearish divergence forming on the oscillator. Of course, using Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. Let's go check out some of the chart requests after all of this charts that I have prepared, guys. Imtiaz. Good evening, Chill. Sand, please. Legend, can you check XRP? Shazio Amio, XRP ETF news was trending on Twitter yesterday. MHK 911, hi. So let's go check out Solana, guys. Oh, look at this. Solana has hit our final or our $100 target. So again, we have this level as a significant support for Solana, guys. So expect a buy pressure from 100 up to $102. But eventually, looking at this head and shoulders pattern, so oscillator on the 4-hour time frame is already in the oversold area. So we might get a short-term bounce. Again, we have now order blocks at around the neckline, guys. So these are going to be sell pressure for Solana. So that's what I've discussed yesterday. When the price was hovering at this level, as what I've said, watch out for the retest of this 108 up to 109 area, guys. So look at that beautiful price action. As what I've said, this fair value gap here yesterday is going to be filled, guys. So look at this right now. Beautiful price action. So right now, we could probably see a short-term bounce from this level. So what you can see if you're going to zoom out, this is a significant level of support. So previously, look at this. Rejection from this area, guys. A lot of rejection. Also, this have held as a support. So this level right here from 100 up to $103 is a significant level for Solana. So this is not going to break easily, guys. So these are the two significant levels that you need to keep an eye on. So in the short term, we might see price bounce a little bit, probably one more retest of this area before going down. So let's see how this level or order blocks react to the price, guys. So this, we have 743, very high order block, another 1.2 million, very high order block. So it's from 113 and same level, 108 up to 109 order blocks, sell pressure waiting on that area, guys. So congratulations to those who were able to get into the trades. Solana and WIF also doing pretty well. Again, I've shared both trades on my Twitter account, guys. So be sure, if you want to stay up to date, follow me on my Twitter account. So let me just open the previous trade. Let me share it with you guys. So this was the Solana head and shoulders yesterday when it was hovering on the neckline. Targets 100 up to $94 for Solana. And also WIF, I've also shared WIF yesterday, and Loom as well. Beautiful, beautiful trade for Loom. So this one is for WIF. So when WIF was hovering again on the neckline level at 0.36, I have already predicted this target right here up to 0.27. So look at this. WIF have dropped, break the support at the neckline level right now. We have hit the first target here. Second target is going to be at 0.27. Let's move on to Q&A and chart request.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
Let's go check out Sand. Chart request from Frostly Gaming and Imtiaz. All right. While I'm looking for the chart, guys, also don't be shy to smash that like button. Destroy the like button, guys. Don't be shy. So Sand. Where is Sandbox? Sand. All right. So what is going on with Sand? Well, we got we got a perfect rejection here previously from Sand, guys. I don't know if you were able to watch my previous analysis about this. So 100% here, short position for Sand. Beautiful. So what is happening with Sand right now? Let's go check out a bigger time frame first. So this is how I normally would analyze a chart, guys. I would start with the bigger time frame. Then I will find major resistance and support levels on the bigger time frame. So in this case, we are looking at the weekly time frame. All right, so these are the two major support and resistance, guys. So major support and resistance level for Sand on the weekly time frame. We're still oscillator is still above 0, which means this is still bullish short term on the weekly time frame. Sand to host Love and Music Festival. Sand to participate in Digital Fashion Week Paris, February 26th. So this is a bullish news here. February 26th. There is an event, and Sand is going to participate in Digital Fashion Week in Paris, Symposium in Paris on February 26th. February will see 800 million of unlock from Avalanche, Optimism, Aptos, and Mar. Okay. So Feb 26th. next week. All right. So let's go check out the daily time frame. Let's do this. Support trend line. So short term, we might get a short-term bounce here. So high risk, going to be a high risk long entry point for short term near the support trend line, guys. All right. So 4457. So this is going to be the short-term support for sand. So watch out for the price. Once it reaches this level, we might get a short-term bounce from here, guys. So first TP is going to be back to this previous resistance here, up to 0.52, which will give us around 18% risk to reward ratio. But if you want to trade spot, or if you want to buy sand for long term, I would wait for the price to probably start to DCA here. In my own opinion, I would start to DCA some here for spot. This could even go up and retest this major resistance on the weekly time frame. And because there's an event, so probably this could be a perfect timing. So if the price will drop to this level here, and that will be around February 24. The event is on the February 26. So this could be probably just in time for a good bounce, probably up to this resistance maximum. We have order blocks here. 44 million sand is waiting. Sell pressure is waiting on this zone, guys. 0.6 up to 0.64. But major support in buy zone is going to be on this level here. 0.36, 0.34 up to 0.38. So that's my analysis for sand. On the daily time frame, oscillator is still in the overbought area, so expect that the price would probably continue to move down and retest this short-term support, guys. Again, high risk, start to DCA probably on this level. If you want to be safer, wait for this next support on frame. Again, if you enjoyed that kind of analysis, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. That's the way you can say thank you back to me. So smash that like button. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you don't want to miss any of this analysis, click that notification bell. All right, so next one, we have also, what else do we have here? XRP. XRP is really hard to trade, guys, because my own opinion, it's manipulated because of the price action. You'll see a lot of wicks. If you're trading leverage, my success rate in trading XRP is like 60 to 70%. Which altcoin has potential to increase 10x in the coming bull run, according to Muhammad Shahzad? Actually, a lot of altcoins will come out. It's not even listed right now, but there will be a lot of altcoins that will do easy 10x in the coming bull run. So I think you need to focus on the next narrative, which is, I think the next narrative is going to be AI, the use case of AI is just incredible, guys. AI right now can create videos, can generate real, almost real videos. Also, if you have seen my thumbnail, that is AI generated, guys. So the future of AI is amazing. So I think if you're looking for the next 10x token in the coming bull run, go and check out the AI list of cryptos. AI technology is going to be the next narrative in crypto, guys. AI tokens, of course, exchange tokens are going to do easy 2x, 5x in the coming bull run. But if you want to go for a bigger potential, I think AI is the place that you need to look at. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Should we check XRP? Let me know if you are still watching. All right. OP, according to Frosty Gaming. Let's do one more token or one more crypto, guys, before we end the stream. And while I'm waiting for the chat, let me check out my trade first.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right. Let's go check out XRP from Shajo Amyo. XRP. Oh, we have already previous analysis for XRP, guys. So I was actually expecting a rejection from this level right here. But right now we have all of this order blocks, guys. Sam Bankman-Fried exclusive jail photo revealed. Important update. All right. XRP approaching all-time low against Ethereum. Oh, all right. Tens of millions of XRP out of Binance. This is 2 hours ago, guys. Tens of millions of XRP out of Binance and into unknown. With tens of millions tokens moving from Binance, one of the largest crypto exchange, to undisclosed wallet totaling $20 million. So someone is huddling XRP right now at the current level, guys. According to report from Whale Alert, the first transfer saw 19.9 million XRP valued at $10 million sent to address RFQ9E. Subsequently, another 18.5 million XRP equivalent to $10 million was directly to the address RARG6. While initially categorized as unknown, further analysis via BitHump's Explorer revealed that both recipient addresses were activated transfers from Binance. The extent of their affiliation with the exchange, however, remains uncertain. Each wallet holds now substantial XRP holdings with $27 million, 27 million and 24.5 million token rather, engaging in active transaction across various channels. So this activity coincide with decline. All right. So that was a Sell pressure. So again, let's go back to the XRP's chart. ETH. All right, so XRP. Short term, I think we might get a bounce here. Again, I'm not good in trading XRP, guys. My success rate is very low. Again, it's because of a lot of wicks in XRP, guys. Look at this wick right here. So it's really hard. 14%, just the wick, candle wick alone. So usually, I would set my stop loss just a little bit below these candle wicks right here. But XRP is notorious for doing this kind of candle wicks, guys. Look at this. If you go on a long or a short position, then it is likely that your stop loss will be hit. Look at this. How would you? 12% candle wick. Another one here. Look at this. 10%. It's really hard to trade XRP, guys. So I'll still let me try to do my best here. Let's go check first the weekly time frame. We have actually a pretty good support trend line on the weekly time frame, guys. And look at this. Looks like we are about to go to the moon. And oh, this is beautiful. Several bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. We're about to bounce, guys. So XRP could see a bounce to this one. So probably spot trade for this one. But I could be wrong again. This is not a financial advice, guys. I'm not good in trading XRP, but I just would like to share with you this analysis. Multiple bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Oscillator is looking bullish, but still we are still below zero or the neutral zone, guys. So this could act as a resistance short term. But look at this. This is the major resistance for XRP, guys. And I think XRP have flipped this one into a support. So previous rejection from this pivot point last October 2022, another significant rejection from this level here. Bam. Bam. Another one right here. Bam. Right? But right now, look at this. We are breaking above, retesting this as a support, and we could actually see a W pattern here. W pattern. So we could see a W pattern here for XRP, guys. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Probably a good spot trade here. So because of the risk to reward, which is around 50%, so we can adjust this to probably around 10%. So if you do a spot trade, probably 10%, guys, because we are still in an overall uptrend here. So again, XRP is notorious in doing this kind of candle wicks. So probably it's better to trade it in spot, in my own opinion, to avoid liquidations and stop hunt and liquidation hunt. So this is going to be my trade setup for XRP, guys. So I think that's it. Super bullish, double bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Let's go back to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are again still hovering on this support. So again, we might see a short-term correction. If you can wait for the price, this is actually, look at this, order blocks, buy pressure. $0.53 up to the support, guys, up to the support trend line. So there's going to be a huge zone for XRP, around 7%. All right, so I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see if our analysis is correct in the coming days. Of course, I'm going to update you daily. So if you don't want to miss my updates about these crazy trades like Solana, like WIF, like Bitcoin, and Ethereum, by the way. We have longed Ethereum from $2,100 up to $3,000. So if you don't want to miss those kind of trades, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.